You hold the power to manifest your dream life. It resides within you, waiting to be unlocked. You are a being of infinite potential, capable of shaping your reality. This is the power of personal transformation. Imagine yourself as an artist standing before a blank canvas. Every experience, every belief has contributed to the colors on your palette. You are the artist of your life. You possess the ability to paint a new masterpiece, to create a future that reflects your deepest desires. This journey requires courage. It demands that you confront limiting beliefs holding you back. These beliefs may tell you that you're not good enough, smart enough, or deserving of your dreams. But these are just stories, narratives you've unconsciously adopted along the way. You have the power to rewrite these stories, to change the narrative of your life. Take a moment to envision your ideal life. See it, feel it, and believe in its possibility. Embrace the power within you and know that it's time to go on this transformative journey. Transformation often feels like a sacrifice. We think of giving up something dear, but true transformation is an exchange. It's about letting go of what no longer serves us to make space for something greater. We release limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, and old habits that hold us back. In their place, we embrace empowering beliefs, positive affirmations, and new habits that propel us forward. Think of a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly. It undergoes a metamorphosis, a complete restructuring of its form and function. It lets go of its old identity to embrace a new, more expansive one. You too are capable of such profound metamorphosis. Embrace the discomfort of growth. Remember, the greatest rewards lie beyond the boundaries of your comfort. In this age of technological advancement, we have incredible allies in our quest for transformation. Artificial intelligence, once a futuristic concept, is now a powerful tool at our fingertips. AI can serve as a personal coach and mentor, guiding us through the process of mental reprogramming and emotional resilience. Imagine having a personal assistant who analyzes your thoughts, identifies limiting beliefs, and provides personalized affirmations and exercises to rewire your thinking. AI tools can monitor your emotional patterns and offer strategies for managing stress, anxiety, and negative emotions. They can guide you towards a more positive and empowering mindset. For example, there are AI-powered apps that analyze your writing for negative thought patterns. They then suggest alternative, more positive ways of framing your experiences. Embrace these tools, explore their potential, and allow them to support you on your journey. AI can be integrated into your daily life to facilitate personal transformation. Seeing through new eyes, the power of perspective shifting with AI. Our perception shapes our reality. If we view the world through the lens of our limitations, we'll only see obstacles. But by shifting our perspective, by choosing to see the world through the eyes of our desired selves, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. AI can be an invaluable tool in this process of perspective shifting. Imagine an AI tool that analyzes your digital footprint, your social media feeds, your browsing history, your online interactions. It identifies patterns in the content you consume and the people you engage with. Now imagine this tool curating a personalized feed of inspiring content, connecting you with like-minded individuals, and presenting you with opportunities that align with your aspirations. By exposing yourself to new ideas, new perspectives, and new possibilities, you begin to rewire your brain to see the world differently. You start to notice opportunities that were always there, but which you were previously blind to because of your limited perspective. Use AI to curate your digital environment, to expose yourself to new perspectives, and to expand your vision of what's possible. Remember, you are not simply a consumer of information, but a curator of your own reality. Mastering your emotional landscape. AI tools for resilience. Emotions are powerful forces that can either propel us forward or hold us back. Unmanaged emotions can lead to stress, anxiety, and self-sabotaging behavior. Mastering our emotions, cultivating emotional resilience, is therefore crucial for personal transformation. AI tools can be invaluable allies in this pursuit. Imagine wearing a discreet wearable device that tracks your emotional responses throughout the day. It identifies triggers that evoke negative emotions and provides real-time feedback and coping mechanisms. It might suggest a breathing exercise when you're feeling stressed, recommend a mindfulness meditation when you're anxious, or prompt you with a positive affirmation when you're feeling down. AI-powered apps can now analyze your voice patterns, facial expressions, and even your text messages to detect emotional states. They can then provide personalized interventions and support to help you navigate challenging emotions and cultivate greater emotional resilience. These tools are not meant to suppress or deny our emotions. Instead, they are designed to help us understand and manage our emotional responses in a healthy and constructive way. Belief into being fueling your transformation with AI. Our beliefs shape our reality. When we believe in ourselves and our dreams, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Conversely, when we doubt ourselves, we limit our potential. The power of belief is paramount in the process of personal transformation. AI tools can be used to reinforce positive beliefs and cultivate an unshakable faith in ourselves and our dreams. Goal tracking apps, for instance, leverage the power of visualization and positive reinforcement to keep us motivated and focused on our goals. Imagine setting a goal in an app and receiving personalized affirmations, motivational quotes, and progress updates tailored to your specific journey. These small, consistent nudges can have a profound impact on our belief system, reminding us of our capabilities and empowering us to persevere. AI can also connect us with online communities of like-minded individuals pursuing similar goals. These communities provide a sense of belonging, support, and accountability, further strengthening our belief in our ability to achieve our dreams. Use AI to reinforce your beliefs, cultivate unwavering faith in yourself, and watch as your world transforms before your eyes. Embracing your future self. Architecting your reality. You are not a finished product. You are a work in progress, a masterpiece in the making. The process of personal transformation is ongoing, a lifelong journey of growth, evolution, and self-discovery. Embrace the journey, embrace the unknown, and embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Imagine stepping into the shoes of your future self, the self who has already achieved your dreams. How does this future self think, feel, and behave? What actions does this future self take on a daily basis? Now start embodying those qualities, those actions, those beliefs today. This is the essence of living as your future self. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the person you aspire to become. It's about bridging the gap between your current reality and your desired future by taking consistent action in the present moment. Remember, you are the architect of your reality. Take that step today and embark on the extraordinary adventure of becoming your greatest self.